The duo discussed on cooperation and support which can be extended as the country is unitedly working to defeat coronavirus. Conrad thanked Himanta for the support being extended by Assam government to provide oxygen to Meghalaya. Conrad has requested further cooperation from Assam in case of any eventuality. Himanta has assured Government of Meghalaya to provide all necessary support to combat COVID. Assam Chief Minister also assured coordination from Assam and requested support from Government of Meghalaya to ensure transportation of goods do not be affected due to lockdown in districts of Meghalaya. Meghalaya Chief Minister has assured smooth transit of citizens and goods during the period. Assam will give 100 doses of Covaxin to Meghalayan and also D-type cylinders, Conrad informed. Assam government is also sending proposals to Government of India to make Assam the oxygen logistic hub for northeastern states. Assam Chief Minister has requested Government of Meghalaya to back the proposal.